Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on how to crypto. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Binance crypto wallet. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. Firstly, open up the Play Store app and there search for Binance wallet. And once you found it, tap on install button. As you tap on it, the installation will be started. Now here your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now you have to tap on open button in order to open your Binance crypto wallet on your device. Now once you tap on open button, you will be landed to Binance homepage. Now that's all it takes to download your Binance crypto wallet on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.